That's a red.
Hello
That's a big one.
everyone. So look at this one, guys, in our porch, guys. I seen the red woodpecker. See, he's enjoying eating the food for the small bird. That's not yours.
That's big one.
It's really pretty morning here when you see the bird. This is the mother nature of Pennsylvania.
That's not yours.
Look at this one, guys.
That's for the small bird.
That's a big woodpecker. Red woodpecker.
That's not yours.
See that one, guys? He's hungry. Look at that one.
You're enjoying that food, huh?
Oh, you're hungry. Hungry bird.
Laki ng ano,
Hungry,
guys,
hungry bird.
laki ng ibon.
Then just look at all the trees. No more leaves. Still cold
Laki niya, guys.
outside. Have a nice day, everyone.
Hindi yan para sa'yo.
Bye.
Para yan sa maliit na
Be
ibon.
nice and be kind.